Hi guys, it's Kirby. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be testing out the new Kat Von D Lash Liner. This is supposed to be the liquid liner that dries matte for your waterline. If you are interested to see how it works and if it holds up to a wear test, then please keep watching. Alright guys, so Kat Von D is obviously a high-end makeup brand. She is a tattoo artist, if you don't know. I mean, I'm pretty sure a lot of people know that already. But she came out with her own makeup brand a little while ago. I mean, it's been years now. They hold it in Sephora and online, but she is pretty well known specifically for her eyeliners. She had the first like brush tip eyeliner, then she has the inkwell liner, she has a gel liner, she has a whole bunch of different kinds of liners, but she came out recently, this was just launched in stores, $7.20 in the US. I'm not quite sure about other countries. I'll try and link that all in the description box below. But she came out with a lash liner, and this one is specifically for your waterline. And it is a liquid liner that dries matte. It's an inner liquid eyeliner. It's in Trooper Black. This is the only color that she offers it now, or offers it in now. If it is amazing, I really hope she comes out with a white one, because I am one who has difficulties lining the inner lash line, like the waterline. I just always struggle with it. Like, it's always just too watery that everything, even if it's waterproof, just wears off in a matter of blinks. So we are going to apply and do a wear test with this to see if it can stand the test of the day. So this was $20 at Sephora. It kind of pretty much is the standard black Kat Von D packaging, stars and everything. I love Kat Von D's products. I love her packaging. Honestly, I've never been disappointed by anything that Kat Von D has done. True confessions, I did use this in my car when I first got it because I was so excited. That was the wrong move to do. I applied way too much. It got all in my eye. It did sting a little bit. So if you are applying this, make sure you are using it sparingly and you're kind of putting on coats, because it can get in your eyeball and it will sting. I am going to zoom in as far as I can to try and like get up close and personal for you guys to see this. Let's also not judge the texture on my face as well as any wrinkling that I might have being up close and personal. Just putting that out there. So this is the applicator. It's kind of like a foam doe foot applicator almost. It's not like a brush. And we're just going to do the thing. I don't know if this is the actual look that I should be lining my lash line with, but such is life. You do have to use a generous amount. So I'm going to wait until it dries a little bit before I put my eyelash back, or my lash line back. So it applied pretty smoothly. I do have some in my eyeball. I'll just blink that out later. As you can see, my lash line is black. And I would, again, wait until it dries before you blink. But it does apply really, really nicely. I often have trouble whenever I'm lining my waterline that I get a whole bunch of like liner on my lashes, and I'm not finding that that's the case with the Kat Von D tattoo, not the tattoo liner, the lash liner. I'm gonna zoom out so, ooh, look at my eyes. Alright, I'm gonna zoom out so that we can talk a little bit more about it. Alright guys, and there it is. The application is super easy. What I'm going to do now is go. I'm gonna go and live my life. I do have a job after this evening, so I probably won't be checking back in with you guys until like the evening, probably around like 7, and it is 1:06 right now, so it'll be like a 6-hour wear test. Like I was saying, I generally don't line my waterline because my waterline is like ungodly watery, so anything that I put on, whether it's waterproof, liquid, non-liquid, anything, just generally either gets all over my lashes and or it just wears off after I blink like 2 or 3 times. However, I've been blinking a lot because these lashes are humongous and this side applied weird, and this side is kind of like my eye is watering a little bit, and honestly, like, it's still there. So high hopes that it will last throughout the whole day. I will go, live my life, do my jobs, come back, let you know what I think. Alright guys, and I am back. So it is, the time right now is 7:16. I have been wearing this face of makeup for about 6 hours because I put on all of this around 1:15 and I applied my not inner corner highlight, oh my gosh. I applied the lash liner to my waterline around 1:15, and so we're back for the wear test of it all, and so we're back about 6 hours. I have not touched up my face. The only thing that I have touched up is my lips because I did eat, but I have not touched my face, touched up my face, applied more or anything. So this is where we're at. 6 hours later, it's still there. Like, that's pretty amazing. I'm gonna zoom in real quick. So again, please ignore all the texture and gross and oil on my face, but can you just see the intensity that this waterline is? There is some wearing off along the outer corner, but that's because I had some lash issues today. But honestly, for 6 hours, I am not disappointed at all, especially since most of my waterline products wear off within a couple blinks of each other. Like, I'm pretty darn impressed with the longevity of this lash liner. So just to recap a little bit, this is the Kat Von D lash liner. It is a liquid inner lash liner. Their specific thing is inner liquid eyeliner. It is specifically meant for your waterline. It is a liquid that dries matte. This is 6 hours afterwards. It is $20. It's available online at Sephora. It's available in Sephora as well as KatVonDBeauty.com and Sephora.com or wherever Kat Von D is sold. I highly recommend this product if you wear what is that, waterline, or you tightline your eyes a lot. Like, this product is amazing. It is a little tricky at first whenever you're first putting it on because I feel like you need to kind of be able to let it dry for a second. When you apply it, it goes on extremely liquidy, so you kind of need to like let it dry before you let your blink and let your eyes kind of go back to normal. But after that, after you get the hang of putting it on, it doesn't go on your lashes, so it is completely separate from that, which is awesome. It lasts all day if you're not touching it or you're not crying. Honestly, this is just a really great product. I know that the woman at Sephora said that there was another liner like this in a different brand. I don't know. I've never heard of a liquid liner for your waterline. If you guys know about that, please let me know in the comment section below. But color me impressed. This is amazing. I really hope that she comes out with a white formula in the lash liner because I feel like those are the two most colors that I would like most in my waterline is white and black. I hope that she develops more colors in this lash liner and that they all hold up the same as this Trooper Black, because honestly, I'm going to be lining my waterline a lot more because I don't usually, because all of the products that I use for that just wear right off. Like, in a couple blinks, it's gone. Or it just gets all over my eyeball and then it's like, what's the point? So I am extremely, extremely impressed by this. For all of the hype that was out for this liner, it has done exactly what it was hyped to do. So I love it. I love all of Kat Von D's products though. Honestly, I've never been disappointed by anything that she has released. But If you would like to get some lash liner or look into it more yourself, I will link it all in the description box below. Please let me know what you thought in the comment section. Do you use liner in your waterline? Have you tried the lash liner from Kat Von D? What products do you use? Let me know all of that in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big old thumbs up. And as always, please be sure to subscribe and hit the little notification bell. I would hate for you to miss out on another review or tutorial. Thanks so much for watching, guys.